Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you connect your HP printer to Bluetooth. First, confirm your HP printer model supports Bluetooth connectivity, as not all models do. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your computer or mobile device and that your printer is powered on. Keep your printer within a range of about 10 to 20 feet from your device for an optimal initial connection. This proximity helps establish a strong signal from the start. Once your printer is on, navigate to its control panel. Look for the Settings or Wireless menu option. Within this menu, find and select the Bluetooth setting. You will typically see an option to turn Bluetooth on or make the printer discoverable. Enable this feature, and your printer will start broadcasting its presence for other devices to find it. This step is crucial for successful pairing. Now go back to your computer, smartphone, or tablet. Open its Bluetooth settings, usually found in the System Settings or Control panel. Initiate a scan for new devices. This might be called Pair New Device or Add Device. Your HP printer's name should appear in the list of available devices, possibly with the model number. Select your printer to begin the pairing process. You might see a prompt for a passcode on some older printers. After selecting your printer, both your device and the printer itself should display a confirmation message indicating a successful pairing. Many printers will show a small Bluetooth icon illuminated on their display. To verify the connection, try printing a test page from your connected device. If you encounter any issues, ensure both devices are still within the recommended range and try restarting them. This often resolves minor connectivity glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.